Whales. Where did they come from? There are many mysteries surrounding the evolution of cetaceans. The most perplexing question is, how did they become aquatic? Evidence from fossil records points to a gradual shift from being a land mammal to a more aquatic one. During the Paleocene epoch, roughly 65.6 to 56 million years ago, a species of land mammals known as the Mesonychids roamed the Earth. It lived along shorelines, and its diet consisted mainly of fish. Over time, the fish moved further and further from the shoreline. Mesonychids had to swim further out to sea to hunt for prey. By the Oligocene epoch, Mesonychids had gone extinct. The extinction of the Mesonychids gave rise to a new species of terrestrial mammals known as Pakicetus. Note the much more streamlined body and broad snout typical of today's whales. Pakicetus became increasingly aquatic as the fish moved further and further from the shoreline. It lived exclusively during the Eocene epoch, roughly 56 to 40 million years ago. The extinction of Pakicetus gave rise to a new species of cetaceans known as Ambulocetus. Nicknamed the walking whale, Ambulocetus was the first partially aquatic cetacean. Not only was Ambulocetus amphibious, it was also capable of moving with ease from freshwater to saltwater. It was also the first cetacean to be able to hear underwater. As Ambulocetus became increasingly aquatic, its walking abilities began to diminish. Rhodocedus, the first fully aquatic primitive whale, could walk on land to a very limited extent. Ambulocetus lived exclusively during the late Eocene epoch. Its extinction gave rise to Durodon, the first completely aquatic cetacean. Its limbs still resembled feet, but they were mainly used to propel the animal through the water. During this epoch, roughly 41 to 33 million years ago, another primitive species of cetaceans known as Basilosaurus lived. Basilosaurus was the prototype for today's whales. The extinction of Basilosaurus led to the rise of the modern whale. The first modern whales appeared during the middle of the Miocene epoch, roughly 20 million years ago.